Namaste. Today we are going to make Masoor Dal. So it is Indian style, but it is, if you are Indian, then it is slightly different here. We are making it much more easier way. So please try at home. Let's see what we need for the Masoor Dal. We need Masoor Dal. I took here about 200 grams Masoor Dal here, and I took also green peas, one onion, big onion, turmeric, and chili powder, jeera powder, jeera means cumin powder, and also cumin seed, and salt according to your taste, and some oil. Here I am taking mustard oil. You can take also ghee, clarified butter, or any other vegetable oil, also good. First thing we are going to do, we will wash this Masoor Dal. So I am taking on the pot and I am going to wash it. Just first it wash away 1-2 times. So if there are some unnecessary ingredient, it goes away. So that's why I am telling. So once it is 1 or 2 times you wash, then what you will do, you just take water, and from where is the top layer of the Masoor Dal, about 4 centimeter, yes, 4 centimeter of water you give, and then just let them boil now. Here I am boiling. You can hear the sound happening, the fire. So in this, when it is boiling, you just give spoon of salt, like this. Salt, you see, almost like a 1 teaspoon salt I am giving. After 1 teaspoon, there you give some turmeric, 1 tiny spoon I have, the smaller spoon than teaspoon actually, and then I am also use chili powder. So according to your taste, if you don't eat chili powder, you can also skip that one, but chili powder tastes good. So here tastes good. So I am giving half of this tiny spoon. It is a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon I am using here. In this moment, I am just let it boil for a while. So when it is boiling, then in this meantime, I am going to cut some onion. Half of the onion, like a handful of onion, you give on that dal. See what is happening now? It is getting boiled and it looks like this. Now you see this one is almost done. Here, look at this. It's almost ready. And now I will make the flame all the way low. Just let it boil like this. Slowly boil, because it is almost done. So I am giving some oil here. Instead of this oil, I am using mustard oil. See, this is mustard oil. Instead of the mustard oil, you can also use ghee, clarified butter, and also coconut oil you can use, sesame oil you can use, any other type of vegetable oil you can use. Let the mustard oil get hot, very hot. So oil is very hot now. So what I will do now, normally I use hands to give this, then I have feeling on my hands that how much I am giving. Also you can use spoon, just 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. You see how it is happening? It will start popping. Now, so once it is start popping, and you will realize that color is changing also. And now we are going to use this all the onions. Once onions are there, then we stir fry them. So you can see now this onion color will change. And in the meantime, you can also see this dal, what is happening. Here it is, you see, it is getting much more thicker. Not absolutely thick, of course, but much more thicker, kind of thicker. And I'm just keeping in the low flame. So you just see the onion is well fried here. Once it is frying, you do another thing. You use the green peas here. All the green peas you give. Normally I use tiny bit of salt in that, then green peas taste good. Just tiny bit of salt I just put there. So who likes to have a little bit spicy, then you can also use green chili or a little bit more chili pepper. All the dal lentils there, I am going to mix it here. So now the fire level is low, I am just making the fire level low, and here is the lentils. What I am doing, I am just putting there. I took some more water to wash the rest of the part, and that one also I am using here. Then it is done, and let it boil for few more minutes. Let it boil for a few more minutes, like with the cover on. I'm just putting a cover here, and you see it is already 2-3 minutes done. So just give a stir and check what is happening in the bottom, is getting stuck or not. You see how it looks, how great it looks like, the green peas. Then it is ready. Now in this moment you just check little bit salt, how it is. Just I want to check how the salt it is. Salt level is good. It tastes good. So you can eat this one with the bread, with the rice, chapati, bread, rice, chapati, or you can eat as a soup also. It gives you a lot of protein and energy instead of all kind of meat and stuff. If you want to avoid them, this is one of the good one. It's done. It is ready. I off the fire now. Now I am going to pour this on my bowl, and it is like this. See how it is. So it is now. Masoor Dal is ready. Like this, Masoor Dal is ready. Masoor Dal is ready. Please try at home, and you let me know if you want to learn some more other cooking, Indian cooking, so you can have some different taste of food. If anything, you can write a comment. But it is a simple way we made. So please, you can enjoy with the rice, with the bread. Thank you. Namaste.